You're serious about Forex trading, then the platform which you choose, it does really matter. That's why traders in Forex across India are moving to this exchange called the Shark Exchange, as you can clearly see on my screen. Why? Three reasons: low fees, FIU registered, and safer and smooth withdrawals and deposits. These are the main factors that one Forex trader always looks up to. With this exchange, you can trade Forex legally staying within India. Forex in sense, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade any other coin, Solana or anything, whether it's gonna be futures or whether it's gonna be options. And you know what the best part? You can trade gold. You can trade gold in India legally through this exchange. So let me show you how that all is done right in my screen. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the Shark Exchange website. So once you type Shark Exchange in your browser, you will be expecting a website. So click on it. After you click, you can register in this website. I have already registered. So for you to register, you have to just click on this Let's Get Started button. As I have already registered, I can see the interface. As you can clearly see over here, it is an FIU registered. So when it is an FIU registered, you don't have to worry because it is registered under Ministry of Finance from India. It is regulated. There are some legal compliances, so there won't be any issues. And even though if you have any issues, then definitely you can connect with them, but mostly there won't be any issues compared to other brokers. Like Xness is not an FIU regulatory, so even if they hold our money, so we can't go anywhere. But if these people hold our money, we have a place to go, whether we can complain anywhere. The best part about this exchange is the fees. They offer the lowest fees all over India. Whichever website you take in Forex legally, and if you take that, this exchange is the exchange that offers the lowest of brokerage fees. Normally, Forex brokerages will be like very high. In India, per trade you get like 20 rupees, but in Forex it depends on the lot size and it depends on the percentage of commission that they are taking. So here, as you can clearly see, maker fee is around 0.016 and taker fee is around 0.014. This is the base that they're offering, but the base brokerage in India of other FIU registered platforms should be maker they have like 0.02 and taker they have like 0.05. And now this broker has a maker fee of 0.016 and taker of 0.04. So this is a very huge difference when compared with other brokers. So that's why I really like this platform. I'll quickly show you the brokerages of other websites also. As you can clearly see, we have 0.016 and 0.04 in this website. Whereas if you go to the Delta Exchange, which is one of the FIU registered platform in India, and if you check the fees, as you can see, maker is 0.02 and taker is 0.05. Whereas in our Shark Exchange, maker is 0.016 and taker is 0.04. This definitely saves a lot of fees when we trade, because fees is the most important factor. If one website is offering less fees, then definitely I'll pick the broker. And if something other than this comes up with a less fee, then definitely I'll go there. It's about picking the right broker for yourself. So in this exchange, you have a lot of coins to trade. As you can clearly see, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have BNB coin, and there are like more than 300 coins, I guess, in this platform. So you can mostly use it. And the best part is you can trade gold. You can trade gold through the PAXG token that they have. See, this is the PAXG, this is the gold token. I'll compare you with the real gold in trading view. So this is the XAUSD. See the daily chart, how the daily chart is, and similar, they have the same pattern, they have the same, just we can trade with the PAXG token here. And as you can clearly see, they both are not even there is difference, there might be slight difference, but almost they can trade gold with this also. So now I'll trade in Bitcoin and I'll show you how much fees is getting charged. So let me go to Bitcoin and let me go to the future. This is the futures chart of Bitcoin. So okay, let me go to some time frame and just let me take one small quantity of Bitcoin. As you can see, we have a market order and also limit order. So in market order, it takes 0.04 fee. As you can see, 0.04 fee of taker, which means a market order, maker, which means a limit order. So I'll show you in market first and then in limit next. Okay, let me just take the normal quantity 0.002. Let's assume I'll just buy this thing. Okay, I think the order got executed in this, as you can clearly see. So so let me just go to the trade history or transaction history. So in the trade history, you can see it has been executed as a taker order because we have gone through market. And let me show you, the fees is around $0.8. So in Indian rupees we can easily check through the transaction history of how much it is getting traded. So as you can clearly see, this is the fee that has been charged for me in terms of market order at this lot quantity, and this is the discount that they offer. So I too have opened the account through some other's link, so that's why they have given me a fee discount of this of 0.75. So this is the 10% discount that we get. So if you open the link through the description, you will definitely get a discount. This is a very small quantity, so that's why you're not able to make the difference, but if you trade in big quantities, I think there will be a huge difference. And now let me go through this is something, let me close this order. Okay, let me close this order and let me go to the limit, and let me see if I can get a limit order. Okay, let me place the same normal quantity and let me just place the limit order and buy. Let us see if it gets executed. I think I have to. Okay, it got executed. Now let's go back again. Let us see how much. See the price difference. Previously we were charged 7 rupees, but if we take a maker fee, we were charged just 3 rupees, as you can see. I'll just show you this. I'll just show you this. As you can see, before it was 7 rupees for market order, and it is just 3 rupees for, you know, for limit order. So if you go through limit, I think it will definitely keep you at a very less price. The best part is that if you close the trade within 30 minutes, you will be charged like 0 rupees at all. So they have this scalping offer. So if you take a trade and close within 30, there will be 0 closing fee. You have whenever you take a trade, you get a fee. Whenever you close a trade, they charge you. But in this exchange, if you close within 30 minutes, there will be no charge. So let me show you. So I have taken in front of you, I have taken 2 trades. So this is opening and closing of one trade. This is opening and closing of another trade. So first I took limit order. Okay, I have closed this within 30 minutes. See that the fee they charge is like 0 rupees, and similarly the fee they charge is like 0 rupees because it is in 30 minutes. As you can clearly see, this is a scalping offer. It is of 0 fee, and it will be definitely useful if you are a scalper, or if you are if you get 1:3 in under 30 minutes, then definitely. See, if you get a price like this, if you get a momentum like this, then definitely you will close within 30 minutes and you can save a lot of fees on this. For Bitcoin, they offer a leverage of up to 150x, so which is very good, because if 150x leverage for 1 rupee, they're giving extra 150 rupees, which is very good. And even though someone with less capital, they can have a great leverage in this. Leverage helps you definitely, but you have to use it very carefully. And next, in gold also, as you can see, gold, they are not offering 150, but they are offering 40x, and they might increase in the coming future. So you can get a 40x of leverage in gold token, which is the PAXG. So another best feature that they offer is in the wallet section. So let me take you through that. So in this wallet section, we have 2 wallets called INA wallet and futures wallet. Once you deposit your money, it will get settled in the INA wallet. If you have money in an INA wallet, you cannot trade. You have to have your money in the futures wallet, which we can transfer through this tab you can see here, from funding wallet, or you can call it also funding wallet. You can transfer your amount to futures wallet. So with this, the main interest is that we can control our over trading. So let us assume I have 7,500. I'm starting trading in Forex with 7,000 plus rupees. So I want to like take risk of only 500 per day. So what do? I just go here, I type 500, only 500, and I transfer it to my futures wallet. If you have money only in your futures wallet, then only you can trade in Forex or any of the gold. So I have 500 rupees. So now I have this mindset with me that okay, I have 500 only, so for this day 500 has been deposited, so with this amount I'll trade. If this 500 gets over, I'm not going to trade, I'm not going to over trade, because the balance would be like 0 once this 500 gets over, and I'll come back the next day, I'll deposit another 500 and I'll trade again. Maybe that 500 might go to 1000, and then that's how I can build. If I have all the money in one wallet itself, I might over trade. So this is the best feature that they have. For depositing your money, they charge 0 fee. For withdrawing, they charge 0 fee. And if you even transfer your funds from funding wallet to futures wallet, or futures wallet to funding wallet, it is zero fee. As far as I have seen, deposits were easy. You can currently there's no UPI deposit. The futures are going to come soon, and you can currently deposit through IMPS, which is through your net banking in with your bank. And withdrawal was instant, as I have withdrawn some amount, which was very instant. There was instant withdrawal, but I think if for huger payouts, I think they will take my time. They might be, but it is very smooth currently. You can also trade in the options in the option section over here. As you can see, there are multiple strike prices where you can clearly sell a call or buy a call, or sell a put or buy a put in options section over here. And for that, you have to set up your account. As I haven't set up, so they provide what are the risks, and then they will let you, as you can see, options for the futures, what are the risks in trading in options, what are the scenarios. They all tell you that, so you can go through all these things and you can trade with that in the options section. I think I have covered most of the sections. You can also contact the support team. In this support team, currently they don't have a call phone line or any chat based, but you can submit your tickets for whatever issue you're having, and that definitely call back you based on the request that you provided. So even I had an issue, I had an order issue. The order got placed itself, and I had incurred some losses in that. So they have refunded money back to my account. They were in touch with me, which was, I felt like, okay, this was good because they are at least, I lost some money, which was not my mistake, but they have known that it is their mistake, and they have provided my money back, which is a great thing. And if you open through my link account, you can get a flat 10% fee. And if you even share that link, you can get a 20% referral commission for yourself, or if your friend or anyone trades on your link. So this is the referral code, and I'll be pasting the referral link in the description down below. So make sure you go through the link and you open the account through the link, so you can get all the benefits from this. Okay. And so that's it with the video. Thanks for watching, and hope I make much more videos for you guys. Thank you.